Have you noticed your joints crack or pop more as you get older? For most people, this is very normal. As we age, the fluid inside our joints changes slightly, and the tissues around them become less elastic. When you move, tiny gas bubbles can form or release, creating those cracking or popping sounds. If there's no pain, swelling, or loss of movement, joint noises are usually harmless. Gentle daily movement can help keep joints comfortable. And in most cases, cracking joints are just a normal part of how aging joints move, not a sign of damage.